Hello guys and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up Copilot in VS Code. This guide walks you through the setting up of GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. So, first of all, follow these steps to get started with Copilot in VS Code. Hover over the Copilot icon in the status bar and select Use AI Features. Choose the sign-in method and follow the prompts. If you already have a Copilot subscription for your account, VS Code will use that subscription. If you don't have a subscription, then you will need to be signed up for the Copilot free plan and get a monthly allowance of inline suggestions and AI credits so you can learn about it in different GitHub Copilot plans. Then start using Copilot in VS Code. So that's pretty much it. So you need to type /init in a chat session to set up your project for AI. The /init command analyzes your code base and creates custom instructions to help the AI generate code that matches your coding practices. So as you can see here, that's literally it. You go to your account, GitHub, sign out, use a different method like different GitHub account with Copilot. You can literally use the different account for each Copilot account. So go to GitHub, sign out, and then sign in again to use Copilot as you will be seeing here. And then click on here to manage your account. So account, sign in with GitHub to use GitHub again. So just simply choose a GitHub account from here. So this is very important in case you had a GitHub account with Copilot in it and another without it. This is another method that you could use it. But overall, what you need to do is to actually do these things right here. So simply just go to Copilot icon in status bar and select use AI features, sign in method and follow prompt. Very simple, very easy, and you will get there. And that's pretty much it. It's never been easier than this. 4 steps to do, or 3 main steps to do, and the 4th one is to simply use the AI. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.